Facebook will fight criminal charges brought by billionaire Andrew Forrest over an alleged cryptocurrency clickbait advertising scam. Facebook's parent company Meta has pleaded not guilty in the landmark case, which could have global ramifications.
So Mr Forrest is one of a number of high-profile Australians whose image has been used in fake ads on Facebook, with others including Gina Reinhart, Dick Smith, Koshi, Mike Cannon-Brooks, Mike Baird and James Packer. Joining us now is partner at major law firm Thomson Geer, Justin Quill. Good morning to you. How unusual is this case?
Look, it's very rare. I think the thing that's unusual about it and rare about it is that this is a criminal prosecution brought by a private individual, Twiggy Forrest. Normally, prosecutions are brought by prosecuting authorities, the DPP, the ACCC. So it's pretty unusual to have someone privately bring this. Of course, Twiggy Forrest is unusual in that he's got stacks of money behind him, and that's probably the reason we won't be seeing a proliferation of these sorts of claims brought by individuals.
What could a precedent, if he wins, if Twiggy Forrest wins, what sort of a precedent could that set around the world?
Well, if it's found that Meta's liable, responsible and criminally have committed a criminal offence because they've allowed these cyber scams to be existing and spread on their platform, then absolutely, that's, at least in Australia, that's going to mean that Meta are going to have to make sure they stop it, because if they don't, every time one appears and is spread, they're committing another offence. So yeah, the ramifications for Meta are very serious, and for that reason, I'm not surprised they're defending it, and we've got lawyers at 10 paces. As usual, the lawyers are the ones that win.
Yeah,
they're the owner of the platform that allow it to happen, regardless of what the advertisement is. Other similar legal cases against Facebook have ended in favour of celebrities. How do you predict this one will play out? Yeah,
look, I think the way it's going to play out will depend to a large part on the prosecuting authority's motivation, because Twiggy Forrest started this case, but now that it's been raised to the to the next level, to the higher court, the prosecuting authorities, the OPP, they have to take this over. If they are as motivated as Twiggy Forrest, then that'll be difficult for Meta, but their motivation is going to depend a lot on the outcome of it. So look, it's going to be interesting. Who can tell? It's as I say, lawyers at 10 paces and lots of difficult legal arguments, so it's hard to predict, but I think whether the prosecution is really motivated like Twiggy Forrest is going to be a determining factor.
Justin, what sort of impact do you think that this will have on our Facebook feed, right? What we're seeing every day?
Well, I should say, when we talk about our Facebook feed, I don't actually have Facebook, but I'm told these, and pretty happy about that too, by the way. I'm told that these scams are ripe, turning up in everyone's feeds, and if this criminal prosecution is successful and Meta are found to be guilty, as I said before, they can't really afford to just allow it to continue, because each time it happens, they'll be committing another offence. So I think there's every chance, if this prosecution is successful, you might see some swift action by Meta to try and stop these cyber scams from spreading.
Yeah, if less people get scammed, that's a big win, but it feels like the lawyers are going to be the big winners out of this case. Thanks, Justin. Appreciate it.